Okay, now coming to the parts of the scanner. First things first, let's talk about the scanner. One entirely interesting thing is the entire metal casing. This is one of the few non-plastic scanners on the market, and you can see that it comes with the scanner head pre-attached, and these scanner heads simply twist on and twist off. Because these scanner heads are metal just like the scanner body, they can be autoclaved up to 250 times. That is a huge number of times for a scanner head and exceeds most of the companies on the market. You can also see it comes with an additional 2 scanner heads again, and each one can be autoclaved up to 250 times. That's a lot of scanning that you can do. So if you need to buy more scanner heads, Straumann does sell them separately. Moving on, here we have basically what looks like two calibration tools. If I just open this up, we have bigger calibration tool and what looks like a smaller calibration tool. Now the company made it very clear to me that it's called an integrity check. This is not a calibration tool, and what this basically means is that every week the software will prompt you to run what's called an integrity check. Is that it's going to evaluate the scanner and make sure it is working as intended. Now if the integrity check has failed, you will need to run the proper calibration, which is done through this tool, and as mentioned before, this is called the sharp adjust. So just to recap, you run the integrity check once per week, and if that fails, you have to run the sharp adjust tool. Apart from that, you really have just a bunch of cabling and the data hub. That is the Straumann data hub. It is not a scanner that has to be used directly to the PC. It must be used with this data hub, which also doubles as the stand. As you can see here, this is how the scanner is expected to sit on the desk. From here we've got a bunch of cabling. This is a standard power cable, and where this attaches to is to this data hub at the back here. And this will be attached to your power plug. We have a USB cable, and again this is going to be attached to the back of the data hub, and this will then attach to the included laptop. And finally we have the additional USB cable. Here we can directly attach, you can see that you can use it for the sharp adjust tool, and it gets attached and plugged in there and into your laptop. So we will start with scanning. Let's put our headpiece onto the intraoral scanning device, also called as a wand, and get ready for our patient over to the next session.